Okay, it becomes easy. But you got, come on, man, come on.
And Lulu in the kennel, she's real sweet, right, Luis? To get her, yeah, she wants to go for a walk. She tells you that right away.
Hey, don't be trying to get too close. Hey, I'm watching your ears. That's right. Now come on up here. Come on. Come on.
So what we're gonna say is
There
this
you
is
go.
Lalo. He's
Sit.
1 year old.
Sit.
He was returned to the shelter because his family couldn't handle him on a leash.
Okay.
And he's an adoptable dog.
What's up, George?
You can see right here, he's learning how to not be aggressive with other dogs and to pay